right all right by Tuesday, and is practically so now. I know her so well and try to look after her, but it's not so easy. After all, the chap's Michael.
What day of the week is it?
Wednesday, I think. Yes, quite. Wednesday.
Sorry. Bear with us 1 second. I seem to have lost the sound. Remember what you're looking at right now. We'll get back to it. Lie down again so they can remember where they are.
Like this.
Sit on the chair. Yeah. So that when we start again, that's what you're going to see.
Yeah. Well, for now, you know, I'll just sit. It gets hot in here. It's like a microwave.
I'm going to get a report. You guys talk to Bob.
Yeah, because I'm sitting, you know, you wouldn't think so, but a newspaper creates a lot of heat when your face is already sweating. What's the report?
It's kind of the same thing. This has happened to us a couple times at this theater. Yeah. So don't be alarmed.
No, it's fun. Everybody enjoys it. Doesn't happen on your television, right? They don't just stop because the sound stopped.
Last time we offered this, you can take this
poetry.
choice. We offered a poetry reading for what Jake was reading.
We can also read the New York Times.
It's Rupert Brooke. He's reading the collected poems of Rupert Brooke.
Yeah. And all right.
No, Rupert Brooke.
Supposedly everybody in the trenches was reading Rupert Brooke. You guys remember that?
He was supposedly a rock star of the 20s. Everybody read.
The Elvis of the 20s.
Actually, I know that because after we did this the other night, one of our audience members told us that.
Yeah. Older gentleman. Let's get some culture. Are we giving you culture?
Alright, this one at least has very short lines.
Okay.
Somebody just like make a gesture. I can't really see you.
Better be good.
If you start suffering, just or scream. It's actually okay. Retrospect. It's called Retrospect. It was written in Mataya in the South Pacific. Sorry, I pronounced that before. Whoa!
Nope. Okay, keep going.
Thank God you get to hear Retrospect. Retrospect by Rupert Brooke. In your arms was still delight, quiet as a street at night. That's nice, right? Yeah. And thoughts of you I do remember. Some proud one. Lots of you I do remember were green leaves in a darkened chamber.
It's not real.
Were dark clouds in a moonless sky. Love in you went passing by.
Oh.
I like where this is going. Penetrative, remote, and rare, like a bird in the wide air.
Oh, sexy.
And as the bird, it left no trace in the heaven of your face. Let's just remind you, this is called Retrospect. Don't forget that one.
Is that it?
No, there's a lot more. Again, someone scream if you're suffering. That doesn't sound.
That was a woohoo.
Is it having your face? In your stupidity, I found the sweet hush after a sweet sound.
Which is what happened here. The sound went out.
In your stupidity.
It might That sounds
Is that, what's that?
Stupidity.
What's that?
What was that?
What's that? Yeah? Woo!
Right.
Oh, come on,
okay.
I'm asleep. Oh, I just finished reading the letter. Okay, I'm going to ask you about... Okay, now. Okay. Very good to the program. Sorry. Come on, money professionals. What day of the week is it?
Wednesday, I think. Yes. Quite. Wednesday. Wonderful how one loses track of the days up here in the mountains.
Yes, we've been up here nearly a week.
I hope you're not thinking of leaving.
Yes.